It's okay, girl. It's okay. You be nice, honey. You be nice. It's a standoff. Go ahead. Go say hi. Go say hi. You can go say hi. Here's Stripes. Look, Stripes. It's okay. It's a tiny puppies. I don't think Stripes has anything to do with it. He's like, nope, that's a dog. She don't want nothing to do with it either. But so far we met the goats, and then we met the chickens. And she can help me on my chores. We just cleaned the goat house out. There's a big pile of chips over there now. See if I can zoom in. Big old pile of chips out in front of the door. I'll probably end up moving him again tomorrow. He's getting this area cleared up, tilled up. The mean Big Red, I'm gonna move his cage into the goat pen because it's all fenced, so dogs can't get to him if he stays in there. And we'll just leave his door open where he can run in and out and hang out with the goats. That's my buddy Stripes right there. He's a big old chicken. And the rest of the guys is over there. Which we need to finish the roof on that thing. Coming soon. We got to side the goat house. We got lots to do. Let me go in and change the timer on the door. And